Hello, gorillas. I'm Chef Perry, the vegan gorilla. I am here to show you a little gorilla drink I make. It's actually pretty tasty. I use mason jar, easy to mix it up. I've got about a half cup of water, a couple ice cubes, and half a cup of cranberry juice, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Why chia seeds? Well, because chia seeds are rich in antioxidants. They're very healthy for you. They're high in fiber, omega-3s, help with lowering cholesterol. They help with blood levels. They do it's just a miracle superfood, and they got all kinds of vitamins in there and nutrients. So what I do is I usually put it in a mason jar, a little shaky shake. Kind of like making chia pudding, but I'm not gonna make pudding, I'm just gonna make a drink. Now, I don't know if you guys ever seen in the stores, you can actually buy juices like that with chia seeds in them, and you can see they're a little bit larger, obviously, because they've soaked in there for a bit and they've gelled up a little bit. The fiber in that's great. It helps your intestines, helps clears out digestive system and everything. So I make my own instead of paying $3-4 for a bottle of it, and it's refreshing and easy to make, as you can see. There's really 3 ingredients if you want to include water, 2 without water. But I do half and half just because of the sugar content. That way it's a little bit less sugar, even though I buy the less sugar cranberry juice. So I'm going to put that in the fridge for about maybe 15 minutes. Give it a chance for the chia seeds to swell up a little bit. And then we'll enjoy it. All right? Back shortly. There you go, gorillas. Nice, cold dog mixer, refreshing drink. Look at that. You can see, you might not be able to see, but the seeds have swelled up quite a bit. The juice is looking good. Let's give it a taste test. Cheers. Nice. The cranberry juice, excellent. Not too sweet, a little tart, which is the way I like it. But watered down with half the water. Nice and cold. And I can feel a little tickling of the seeds when they go down. Very nice. Good healthy drink. Nice to enjoy on a nice day like today. Be safe. If I don't see you again, or maybe see you again, much love. Namaste. And be kind to your neighbors, your dogs, the traffic. All that lovely stuff. Cheers.